Hello guys, welcome back to VORTEX. So now we are beginning the tutorial of Microsoft.NET. Let's begin with the where we end. We ended the we are learning about the web, mobile, desktop, gaming, everything. So now we are beginning with the desktop. So first of all, you have to note that we are using this .NET framework and it is all on the network. So you must have your Wi-Fi connection or anything Ethernet you are using or broadband. So please make sure you have Wi-Fi connection. After that, just click on get started. By clicking on get started, you will find out this page, .NET tutorial hello world in just 10 minutes. I will provide you all the knowledge which written down in the words in this site, so don't worry about it. You don't have to read this. This is available for Windows, Linux and Mac OS. I am just providing you knowledge about only Windows, so I am not. If you are Linux or Mac OS user, then you have to skip this video. So let's begin with the Windows. Just start installing .NET SDK. First of all, this is probably 140 MB. I already downloaded and installed it. There is no problem in installing this. Just press next and install. After that, create your own app. That means .NET console. You just have to open the command prompt. After opening that command prompt, you have to just copy and paste it. It will prepare about this software as .NET SDK. This is running in background of the command prompt. So here they will say that the nature program, which is hello world, is already running in this. Okay, so we don't have to put this program. It will show that the program is basic program and this program is already in the software. So we just have to write here .NET run. If it will show that the .NET run is not working because of this. Okay, write down it again. Just click and paste it. It will take some time to show you the message. At that time, we have to just download this .NET and Visual Studio. Okay, this is the message of hello world, which is the basic program of the software. We will write down any program softwares in here and run it direct using .NET run. Okay, if we have to make our program, then we have to download the .NET Visual Studio. After downloading it, we are going to quick start collection. Okay, in this they will provide the knowledge about how to use that all commands in C programming. The basic commands are provided by the in browser tutorial. Okay, if you go in tutorial browser, there is 6 steps. The first one is intro, how to run the code. In how to run the code, they will just provide this is hello world program, and after write down this program, we just have to do run code, and in here we have to do the .NET run. Okay, this is in browser, so it will do the directly. First step complete. Next is the string. String means the word which we are using. So this is the word hello world, then we are changing it with Raj. Okay, let's run code. Here hello world is changed with the Raj. Okay, next we are choosing the variable. In variable, here we write down that variable is name is equal to Raj. So wherever we put name, that Raj will pop up in the out of answer. After compiling, it will say hello Raj. Okay, next step, this is a string. In string, we can use this symbol also for writing down. Okay, using this dollar symbol, we will write down this hello Raj name also. So run code, compiling hello Raj. Okay, in next step, methods. In methods we will run this kind of stuff. If we put I put my name in small letters, Raj. Okay, wait a minute. Right. Now run code. It's available. Understand? If we write down any lowercase or any case name, it will convert it into uppercase. In next step, collection. The collection it's just like a string. Okay, it's like a list of name, and we have to list out one by one. So in that we use the var names is equal to name new list in bracket of string, and in bracket we provide a name which we want, Raj anything, and after end of that we use for each var name in names. Okay, so variable name is one by one that name. So if we use that name top upper, that will list out the name one by one. Okay, so let's run the code. It will say Raj, hello Raj. After that this. Okay, just like that. Okay, this is the finish. Now we have to step by step learning about the numbers. So let's begin with numbers. In numbers, if we have to do any addition, that we have to take three variables, a, b or c. In a we take any integer value, b we take any integer value, in c we take a plus b. Plus will provide the summation of that two numbers. Okay, integer is the number any we want, plus is the symbol, plus minus for subscription, this for multiplication, and this for division. There is one other which is modulo. Modulo is used for dividing. We will learn about that next. We can use a plus b into c. Okay, the plus minus and multiplication or division, they will provide their steps with their priorities. It will take their priority and then multiply, divide and subtract anything. Okay, after that we use the modulo. Okay, and you familiar with that? Modulo is used for if we want to take a remainder or anything in numerator denominator. So remainder, that will use for that. Okay, that if we have to find out what is the integer maximum value and what is minimum value, then we just have to write down integer maximum, integer minimum value, and the console write the range of integer is in bracket minimum to maximum. It will take the value automatically and provide that. Okay, if we have to find out this is underflow or overflow. Overflow means the maximum value is reached, and if we put any other value, that is reached to overflow, and if we have the minimum value, then we put any value, that is underflow. Okay, so this is the overflow example, and we write down here minimum plus 2 is the underflow example. Okay, this is the all steps for this. Okay, you can understand this one by one. It is very easy and perfectly given in that. You can provide feedback if you don't understand anything. They will mail you and they will definitely help you. And if you want to know anything, just write down in comment. I will provide you about that. Okay, so this is the, I think, end of the tutorial for our browser tutorial for desktop. Okay, so desktop is ended. This is for desktop. Now next we are going to use the gaming 2D or 3D most popular desktop for desktop phone or console. In this video I provide this video faster because of it is easy and the software does not cost. But in gaming there is software is paid, so I have to find out the open source software, so it will take some time. So don't worry about it. I provide video in short times. I will try my best to find the engine. So stay tuned to the VORTEX of Tech and subscribe my channel. If you like this video, like it. Okay, and thank you very much.